So with shelter in place over the last 6 weeks, I haven't been able to drive the car. I started up once a couple weeks ago. It ran fine, but I've been having a harder and harder time starting it up. And then 2 days ago, came out here. I was going to take it for a nice drive. I finally got the time to do it, but couldn't start it. I think maybe the battery ran down and then possibly flooded it. But it also could be some other problem. So let it sit for a day or two. I plugged it into the trickle charger, so it's all charged up. So here's the test, whether it's something wrong or whether it's just because it's been sitting. That's where I'm at. Really rough. It almost sounds like it's not getting gas, fuel, something. But anyway, I'm gonna take a look, do a little service, see if I can get this thing running.